Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go BREE, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
It is now 6 in the morning and I'm on the road. I'm starting the gym. Let's see.
Yummy strawberry. Show them strawberries you're eating. Eat it. Show them.
Look at mine. It's yum.
It's yum. Eat it.
Guys, the other one. Guys, the other one was sour, but this one is sweet. My favorite.
She's dirty.
Some people say that all strawberries are sour.
So, we're having also fruit date. The fruit date.
It's not a date.
It's a date. It's a girl's date. So we're eating strawberries and we have grapes.
Dates are when people come.
Dates are when people
Yeah, so we're having a good time. Bella, eat your strawberry. Yum.
Alright guys, so I'm just coming from the garage and I decided to try out the Touchless car wash machine in Mandeville, Manchester. I will let you know what's happening. I'm going in now. First thing is that the system is the touchless car wash system, but that don't mean that the people don't touch it. Machine talk to me, guys. I don't know what it just sprayed on the car. High pressure water. Here it goes. This is pretty cool. And now a high pressure vacuuming system. It sounds like a plane is taking off, guys. And the car is shaking. And I can hear the antenna. Oh, look at that, look at that. Also, this feels like storm winds. And we're done. Start and done. I don't know if the whole process took 2 minutes. It's like a big power wash. I don't suggest if your car is too delicate or has delicate parts on it that you try this out. Stronger vehicles first, I would suggest. And if your antenna and all of that is there. So the guys are now just giving it a quick dry over with some towels. And yeah, it's not bad, not perfect, not what I expected, but not bad. I'll definitely be back to try out the other system, which is the full automated which is a full automated one. Alright, so I drove in at 4:30 and I'm out by 4:45. That's 15 minutes. There wasn't much traffic. There wasn't any traffic in front of me. Vehicles were behind me. So I think it's a pretty swift, smooth process. I think the machine does a better job than the person's in terms of the drying off. They didn't dry off as effective. But I think it's $1,000. It's not something I do every day or every time, but if I'm in a rush, I'm definitely using this automated system. Yeah, it saves time and it does a good job.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs.